So I think for the first overarching priority as a new committee focusing on infection and pregnancy, what we really want to do is highlight key issues, including vaccination and pregnancy being one of them that overlaps with many other areas in FIGO. We want to look at a couple of core sort of infectious challenges. One of them we're going to have to keep our eye on COVID and other emerging pathogens. COVID is perhaps gone as a pandemic, but not entirely gone as something that impacts pregnant women and their infants. We've got to keep our eye on emerging and re-emerging infections, syphilis being one example of that. Monkeypox was a maybe, turned out maybe not to have taken off, but we have the possibility of those, and we want to keep our eye on those. We also are going to be spending some time working, again in collaboration with others in FIGO, on the almost epidemic of sepsis as a contributor to maternal mortality. And so post-cesarean sepsis in particular is increasing substantially, especially in low and middle income countries where cesarean section rates are going up. So approaches to that and KT around that's going to be a big priority. Well, 2 years is not a long time, but we first thing is we've got an issue in progress on sexually transmitted infections in pregnancy that we want to complete as a special issue of IJGO, and we'll get that out. We're interested in trying to probably do more of a sort of public knowledge component around the vaccination and pregnancy issue. We think there's still a lot of misinformation there. And then we'll be trying to look at the committee makeup and focusing on trying to get some guidelines out, particularly around sepsis. Well, I think really the enormous advantage is the global reach. There is, it seems obvious, but FIGO's membership organizations is a huge list of nearly the entire globe. And I think that ability to integrate best practices into many, many areas of the world, high-income, low-income countries is huge. And at a personal level, the ability to collaborate with people from around the world and to network and understand and learn from each other. I think it's phenomenal. So, thank you.